Hey guys, what's up? It's me. How's it hanging? Today I'm just gonna get ready on camera. I'm doing like a kind of fiery eye today and you get to see a little bit of my colored brows. Oh my gosh, I look like a fat wreck. I'm gonna start out with the brows. I have really been liking doing colored brows lately. I don't know what's up with that. It's just been my thing. It's a little bit more fun. It's not like a boring brown all the time. It brings me a little bit more inspiration. So I haven't done a red brow yet. So I was thinking of doing either red and pink or red and orange if I can find an orange. To start my brow, I'm grabbing the NYX Liquid Suede. This one is in Kitten Heels. I think this is a little bit of a brighter red. I wanted something a little bit darker, so we'll mess around with that, but since it's a cream, it's gonna stay kind of, you know how cream lipsticks are, they don't dry down completely. It is gonna be like that for most of the day, so I will take a powder and go over top of it, and I'm sure that'll change up the color a bit too. I am getting kind of messy underneath, one, because I don't care, and two, because when you get messy with it, you just run through with a Q-tip. My hair's on top, don't want to listen either, so we're gonna let them have their little itty bitty baby fit, and then we're gonna go in and fix them. See how different my brows look? Then you clean it up. I did find an orange. This is the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Delight. The brush is like all smushed. I don't remember doing that. Could have been my nephew. Don't know. We'll take that same brush that we had the red on, but I'm wiping it off a little bit just so we don't get too much red in the brow. And so I'll start working that into the front, work it up into my hairs, wipe off any excess. And the reason why I'm wiping off excess is because I don't want to get too much red in them. Because what it's doing, since I brought the red in really far, is that it's picking up the red that I had put down, and I just don't want to make just like a totally red brow. I really want the color distinction between the two. And then we'll do some hair-like strokes in here. What I like to do with the red-orange that I get by picking up in the front, I like to take it up top and kind of make the top a little bit thicker and fuller. I'm sorry for the focus on my camera. I think something's wrong with it. Don't know why it's having such a hard time lately, but it is. I want to add to the color a little bit more, so I'm grabbing the Pure My Little Pony palette. I'll be using this red right here, and a different angled eyebrow brush on the outer half of the brow. We'll do that red eyeshadow. And this is basically just gonna set down the color and also mask the black brow hairs a little bit more. I really like adding the eyeshadow in because then it makes it look more vibrant too. Now I'm going to take this orange color, really like this color. It's from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and that's going to go in the orange part of my brow. Throw some concealer on. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. I'll grab my little concealer brush. And we'll conceal around the eyebrow. This is actually an eyeshadow brush. I just like using it for concealer. This is the Morphe MB16. I always take my finger and blend this out because it helps the foundation line kind of seamlessly flow up to the brow. Damn, these are some thick brows, Cal. Yikes. Putting on my favorite eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. Just kind of slap a bit on both of my lids. I've got really close to my brow on that one. You see how close that is? Makes me nervous. I'm gonna take my concealer brush and just move it away. Stay away from there. Stay away! I'm almost running out of this. Good thing I got some during Christmas time and stocked up. I should have grabbed more Shape Tape when it was like 15 bucks instead of 27, but instead I only got one Shape Tape and I'm almost out of it because I use it for everything, even though it's a $27 concealer. I don't care. Try not to blink too much when I'm putting this stuff on because I don't want to crease before I set it down. I'm using the Rarity shade from the My Little Pony palette to set my eyes, because if I set it with a basic translucent powder or like a face setting powder, then there's like a extra yellow tint to it, and I find that the colors aren't done justice as much. I wish I had a red glitter, so I was thinking of just doing a really big intense black liner with this look and then doing like a red shimmer in the middle inspired by Linda Hallberg, but I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, so I'd rather just do eyeshadow. Have fun! We're taking the NYX Hot Single Shadow. This is in STFU on a big fat blending brush, and this is gonna be our transition color. It's not gonna go in the crease, it's gonna go real close up to the eyebrow, real close. I think I'm only gonna keep it mostly under the arch and the tail. This is a Morphe MB17 brush. I didn't think I would like it for blending, but I really do because it actually lays down the color very evenly. There we go. Okay, I'm all taped. It's fine now. No big deal. I only own one red color. I'll be using this red right here. So I'm mainly patting the color into the crease and blending a little bit just because I want to set the color down before I start to go crazy with it. Pat and pull. Alright, now we're going to start having some fun with it. Blend, blend, blend away, children. I'm going to really pull the red up next to the inner part of the eyebrow and start blending away. See how it makes that like kind of straight edge across? Looks kind of retro. I think that's fun. We're gonna take the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, and out of that I'm going to be using the red ochre color down here. And actually, you know what? I think we'll smudge a line into the inner corner. So we're gonna smudge it all into the inner corner area, not quite going down to the bottom lid, but it'll go onto the inner third as well. And then we'll also start filling in the outer third too. We're gonna take out our concealer again. I'm gonna use that same angled brush that I used before. I think we're gonna do something real fun. Don't blink too much. Take out the white eyeshadow again and set with the white eyeshadow so that it doesn't move anywhere while you're finishing up your business. Your business! So now that that's done, I am taking a Morphe MB26 brush and the NYX Hot Single in STFU. I'm gonna make this little baby yellow on top. I'm gonna put down that creamsicle color that we used in our eyebrows. Subculture palette from Anastasia. I'm dipping into New Wave. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Isn't exactly what we're going for, but we ain't done yet, ma'am. No, we aren't. And we'll grab that red from the My Little Pony palette, and that'll go down at the bottom. gonna be a little bit more sporadic down here because this is like the edge of our little flame. Little flamey flame. This is like the longest eyeshadow look I've ever done. Boom shakalaka. Alright, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and then I'll be back with you guys. Oh my god, I'm the worst YouTuber on the freaking earth. I did finish my under eye. First I used the NYX yellow single shadow that I have been using all throughout the tutorial. Then I took New Wave from the Subculture palette and blended that in underneath as well. And then I took the red that I took up here from the Pure palette and that went all against my lash line. But wow, yeah, I am a terrible YouTuber. I started watching my Netflix and forgot to film again because I got distracted with my Netflix. Now that my lashes are on, I'm taking the Smashbox Superfan mascara and melting my lashes together, adding a little bit more darkness to my inner corner lashes because there's obviously a big jump between my fake lashes and my normal lashes, which is fine. I don't care. I don't care that much about a lot of things, so not a big deal. Alright, time for the lippy lips. So I currently have foundation lip right now. This is what I like to wear most of the time because I really only care about doing my eyes and my face. Oh, these eyelashes itch the crap out of my eyelids. Messed up right there. Alright, taking this L'Oreal liquid lipstick, I'm going to be putting the lipstick on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take a lip brush and start to apply it accordingly. I hate myself. The reason why I'm applying with a lip brush is because I really am just using it for the outside of the lips. So like kind of using it in place of a lip liner, and then I get the shape that I want before I put down the actual lipstick. So now we'll go over top with our liquid suede. I might put a gloss over top of the cream just because I've been feeling glossy lips like no other lately. Hate glosses, hate wearing glasses, but I've been digging the look of a gloss, so this is what's gonna happen. This won't gonna happen. Thanks again so much for watching. If you guys aren't subscribed to me, please hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel. I'm actually doing a giveaway when I get to 500,000. When I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm doing a big fat giveaway that I've been working on for probably about a year now, and my box is getting way too full. So I would just love it if you guys would subscribe, stick around, and hopefully when I hit 5,000 then you will be entered in my giveaway. So I'm going to get going. Feel free to follow all of my social media if you want to keep up with me a little bit more than on YouTube. And yeah, I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!